What if I told you one man wearing a saffron robe silenced a packed hall in America? Not with money, not with power, but with wisdom. This is the story of Swami Vivekananda, the fireband monk who didn't just preach philosophy, he lived it, shook the world with it, and gave India its modern spiritual voice. Born as Narendranath Datta in 1863 in Kolkata, he wasn't a quiet, obedient kid meditating in corners. He was curious, bold, and restless. While other kids played, he asked questions like, "Have you seen God?" And when he finally met Sri Ramakrishna, a mystic priest, he found the answer. "Yes, I see God as clearly as I see you." That moment changed everything. After Ramakrishna's passing, Vivekananda wandered across India, barefoot, hungry, but determined. What he saw wasn't a golden civilization. It was poverty, division, and despair. But instead of turning bitter, he turned brighter. He believed that India didn't need just temples, it needed schools, not just mantras, but actions. He dreamed of a new India, strong, spiritual, and united. Then came 1893, Chicago, the Parliament of World Religions. He wasn't even officially invited. He had no money, slept in train yards, until kind strangers helped him. And then, on September 11th, 1893, he walked up to the stage. He folded his hands and said, "Sisters and brothers of America." Thunderous applause for 2 full minutes. Why? Because he spoke not as a beggar from the East, but as a messenger of peace, tolerance, and truth. He didn't preach religion to divide, he spoke of universal acceptance. After Chicago, the world listened. He toured the West, taught Vedanta, inspired scientists, poets, even revolutionaries. But he never forgot India. He founded the Ramakrishna Mission, blending spirituality with service, built schools, hospitals, and above all, minds. He died young, at just 39. But what a life! He said, "Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached." Not just a quote, a roar to a sleeping nation. Swami Vivekananda was more than a monk. He was a bridge between East and West, between past and future, between soul and society. So next time you doubt yourself, remember the monk who crossed oceans with just faith, fire, and fearlessness. Subscribe if you want more stories that inspire, and tell us in the comments, what's your goal you refuse to stop chasing?